Hello there, buddy. Good day. Are you a multimedia addict or you just want to learn how to use Adobe Flash? Well, now's your chance to experience on how to use it. I'll teach you how to make a simple Flash document. Wanna have fun? Then let's get it started. First, open the Adobe Flash CS3 Professional. This document requires you to use Flash File ActionScript 2.0. Step 1. Create a new Flash document. Select Modify, then Document, or simply use the shortcut key which is Ctrl J to set the dimensions. You can set your dimension at whatever you want. You can also set the background color as whatever you like. And then set your Flash Movies frame rate to 22 and click OK. Step 2. Draw any clock. It's up to you on what design you want for your clock. You can use the oval tool to draw a circle. Rename the layer clock by clicking it double. Then press enter. Step 3. Place every clock hand in a particular layer. How to do that? Right-click Layer, then click Insert Layer to insert a new one. Then rename it as Clock Hand 1. Click the line tool to draw your first hand of the clock. Do this in clock hand 2 and 3 also. Step 4. Take the selection tool and select the first hand clock. Then press F8 key to convert this clock hand into a movie clip symbol. You can name it as whatever you want. Then click OK. Take the free transform tool and place the center point of the first clock hand on this position. Click on frame 20 of clock layer and press F5 key. After that, click on frame 20 of layer clock hand 1 and press F6 key. Step 7. Go back on the first frame of layer clock hand 1 and go to the properties panel below the stage. Then for twin, choose motion, and for rotate, set CW. Step 8. Select the clock hand 2 layer and press F8 key to convert this clock into a movie clip symbol. Take again the free transform tool, select the second hand clock, and place a center point on this position. Click on frame 20 and press F6 key. After that, go back on the first frame and go again to the properties panel below the stage. For twin, choose motion, and for rotate, set CCW. Repeat this process also for the last clock hand, but for rotate, set CW. You can now test your movie. Enjoy!